Are you looking to study in the US? Here's how you can apply for a student visa, F1-1. Get accepted to a CEVIP-approved school. Receive your Form I-20 from the school. Pay the SEVIS fee. Pay the $350 SEVIS fee and keep the receipt. Complete the DS-160 form. Fill out the online visa application, DS-160, and save the confirmation page. Pay the visa fee. Pay the non-refundable $160 visa application fee to schedule your visa interview. Book an interview at a U.S. Embassy Consulate 6. Prepare required documents, passport, Form I-20, DS-160 confirmation, visa fee receipt, financial proof, and academic records. Attend the visa interview, answer questions about your studies and future plans, and wait for visa approval. Once approved, your passport will be returned with the visa. Prepare for travel. Enter the U.S. up to 30 days before your program starts.